Hello, in this video I'll show you how to download free wallpapers just using your phone without any third-party apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be going to the settings, and here find the wallpaper and style section and press change wallpapers. Now choose one that you have downloaded already, or go down a little bit and press get more wallpapers. Now you have to be logged in with a Samsung account to use these downloads tab. And now, for example, if you want our wallpapers, and for example we can sort top from top, and we can see that some of them are free, some of them are paid. You just have to find the one that is interesting us. For example, I believe this is really a pretty one, so I'll download it. And after you download the wallpaper, just press apply. And after you're done, just press done. And if we close our phone, as you can see, the lock screen has in fact changed. So if you considered this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.